Alright guys, it's me behind the camera. Doesn't this look straight out of a movie? It feels like I'm in the Arctic or something. But really I'm just out here in the Albertan prairies in my t-shirt while it's snowing next to a huge frozen lake in the RAV4. But it's a beautiful Saturday and I'm happy to be out here. Got a couple snacks, lots of free time. Once again, it's cold out here. Just yesterday, I was driving around. It was bright and sunny, no snow in sight, and I wake up to my car's covered in snow, and yeah, this weather. It's like I'm on another planet, and it's so cold, stormy out there. But in here, it's warm, it's clean, it's dry, and in those boxes back there are actually new wheels for the Toyota pickup. So I'll hopefully get some brand new tires on those soon, and hopefully the flat deck for the Toyota pickup will be done soon. There's a guy working on it now, and we'll be able to get the Toyota wrapped up and painted, and I think it's gonna be sick. But for now, I think I'm gonna keep enjoying my drive, getting the tripod out to get a sweet driving away shot. And of course I'm still in my t-shirt and my thumb's stuck in the tripod. Alright. This is as good as it gets. The RAV4 is just an awesome vehicle. And right next to you the entire time is a beautiful view of the lake, which is hard to see much of right now. But I'm gonna hop outside quick and show you something cool. Probably shouldn't stand too close to this edge here, but look at the snow on top of the ice, how it's drifted with this super neat pattern. And then here's the edge I was talking about. I'm reaching my arm over, without getting too close. But how's that? Super cool. In an otherwise pretty unamusing landscape. But I gotta say, this snowfall spices things up a little bit. Everywhere I point the camera just looks like an amazing cinematic clip. The lone trees right there. All right. Hopping back in the RAV. And let's take a moment, of course, to appreciate the beautiful interior on this RAV4, as I've said before many times. And it's not me to thank primarily, because the previous owner owned this car for over 20 years and kept it in this amazing shape. The big thing I love about driving to these locations is just getting away from all the traffic. And that's always the best kind of drives for me. Well, everybody, I'm going to be making my way back home now. But I want to say thanks for watching this video, and feel free to subscribe, stick around for more.